What's going on YouTube? So today I'm going to show you how to make caramelized chicken feet. Sweet, savory, full of flavor, spicy. But before we get started, please click the subscription button down below and also the bell for further notifications of further upload videos, and let's get right into it. Starting off with 1 pack of chicken feet, we're going to be cutting the nails off, each and every single one of them. So in a pot of boiling water, we're going to add all the chicken feet into the boiling water and then let that go until it becomes really tender and the chicken feet starts to curl up, just like this one right here. On to our fresh ingredients. Here I have chopped green onions, jalapenos, ginger, and garlic. Once we remove the chicken feet from the boiling water, give it a good rinse, and we're going to add that into a bowl where we will lightly season with sweet soy sauce. This is the brand I'm using right here. You can pause that, or I will have a link to that in the description below where you can purchase that. So what I'm doing here, I'm just basically adding just enough to coat the chicken feet, eyeballing the measurements because you're just coating the outside, giving it a nice color. Next, we're going to add cornstarch. We're basically doing the same thing as we did with the sweet soy sauce, just adding just enough to coat the chicken feet. So there's 2 ways of doing this. You could 1, fry it in a big wok in hot oil, or 2, stick it in the air fryer like I did, which I'm about to show you in a minute. Since I won't be deep frying these chicken feet, I'm just drizzling oil on top of the chicken feet so that way it won't stick together when I put it into the air fryer. Placing these into the air fryer at 370 for 15 to 20 minutes. And if you're deep frying this, you're looking for a nice golden brown texture. So we're gonna go ahead and stir fry all the fresh ingredients minus the green onions. This is going to create an amazing aroma. If only you have smell-o-vision right now. 2 tablespoons of hot bean sauce. The chicken feet is done frying. Look how crispy that looks. We're going to be adding that right into the wok with the rest of the seasoning. So we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here I'm using brown sugar so that way it would darken to give it that nice color. About 1/2 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. That's going to give it an amazing aroma. Mix it all together, turn that heat back on high. 1 cup of water. Close the lid and let it simmer. Oh my goodness, if only you could smell this right now. It smells so good. Take a look at the chicken. The meat is falling off the bone. It's time to add the green onions into it. Turn off the heat. Give it a quick mix and get ready to plate the dish. So once again, I would like to remind everybody, if you haven't subscribed yet and you enjoy this content, feel free to subscribe.